Dear students of 12th standard, very pleasant morning. Once again, welcome back to the zoology class. We are discussing chapter number 3, reproductive health. Under reproductive health, today we are going to discuss what is infertility and what are the various causes for infertility. First, let us see what is infertility. Infertility is nothing but inability to conceive or produce children even after unprotected sexual cohabitation is called infertility. Cohabitation means living together. Okay. So what is infertility? Inability to conceive or produce children even after unprotected sexual cohabitation is called infertility. It may be due to the inability of a man to produce sufficient numbers or quality of sperm to impregnate the woman, or inability of a woman to become pregnant or maintain a pregnancy. There are so many reasons are there for infertility. Now let us see the causes of infertility. The causes for infertility are tumors formed in the pituitary gland or tumors in the reproductive organs, inherited mutations of genes responsible for the biosynthesis of sex hormones. If any tumor in the pituitary gland or any tumor in the reproductive organs causes infertility, because of the hormonal changes. Next thing, the gene responsible for the hormones undergo mutation. Mutation means there is a change in the gene. So the mutated gene cannot produce the sex hormones. Got it? The next reason is the malformation of the cervix or fallopian tubes. Malformation means the structure will not be formed properly. Abnormal formation, that is malformation of the cervix and fallopian tubes, that is fallopian tube means an oviduct. The next reason is the inadequate nutrition before adult. Inadequate means insufficient. The food is not sufficient, or nutrients are not sufficient for the children, or the persons before the adulthood. This is also one of the reasons for infertility. Then, long-term stress, which damages many aspects of health, especially the menstrual cycle. Then, ingestion of toxins, especially heavy metal cadmium. Then, heavy use of alcohol, tobacco, and marijuana, etc. Injuries to the gonads, and aging also cause infertility. Got it? Tumors in the pituitary gland, tumors in the reproductive gland, mutated genes responsible for sex hormones, insufficient nutrients, long-term stress. And then long-term stress affects the menstrual cycle, and ingestion of toxins. Then abuse of alcohol, tobacco, and some other substance, even injuries to the gonads, and aging. So these are the various causes for infertility. Then still so many causes are there. What are they? Maybe the infections. Infections in the various parts. And still so many reasons are there for the infertility. So the first thing is the pelvic inflammatory disease. PID, pelvic inflammatory disease. Pelvic region, you know that lower abdomen region is called pelvic region. So inflammatory diseases. And uterine fibroids. Fibroids in the uterus, and endometriosis. Okay, the tissue, the endometrium will grow abnormally. That is called endometriosis, are the most common causes of infertility in women. Then low body fat. Okay, become very thin. That condition is called anorexia. This is especially in women. That is a psychiatric eating disorder characterized by the fear of getting weight or gaining weight. It is a eating disorder, psychiatric eating disorder. Okay, they will feel that if they eat, they will become very lean. That's why they will not eat. Fear of eating. Okay, why fear of eating? Fear of gaining weight. Got it? So the next thing is undescended testis. Okay, you can see the location of the testis. Okay, it should be below the abdomen. Okay, if it is not descendant properly, it is also one of the reason for the infertility. Undescended testis and swollen veins in scrotum. The next is the tight clothing in men may raise the temperature in the scrotum and affect sperm production. We know that the sperm production is normal under the low temperature than the body temperature, 2 to 3 degree lower than the body temperature. Then only the sperm formation will be normal. So the tight clothing means it reduces the sperm formation. Next thing, underdeveloped ovaries or testes. Okay, underdeveloped means poorly developed, not well developed. That is called underdeveloped ovaries or testes. Then sometimes female may develop antibodies against her partner's sperm. Okay, antibodies usually kills or deactivates the any foreign protein, but sometimes the female's antibodies, okay, deactivates a partner's sperm. Okay, that is called female may develop antibodies against her partner's sperm. Next thing, sometimes the males may develop an autoimmune response to their own sperm. What is autoimmune response? It's nothing but a condition in which the immune system of a person mistakenly attacks the own body. That is called autoimmune system. So the male partner's immune system attacks his own sperm. Got it? So that is this point. What is the point? Males may develop an autoimmune response to their own sperm. Okay, so these are the various causes of infertility. Today in this video what we learned, what is infertility and what are the various causes of infertility. Clear? Thank you.